get out from underneath this thing while he's smacking at it. Mike! Hard though. I'm gonna ride on this house too. So we've been clearing ivy off of it to kind of get a look at the trunk. That way maybe I can see if there's any metal. I actually feel like I see metal right now. It was a worm. That's disgusting. I just smashed it with my finger. I should get out from underneath this thing while he's smacking at it. But so the plan is actually to take it out here. So I've got a rope set already right here. Goes up through that top fork there, down, and it'll go, well, it goes down here and it'll go down the back, and I'll anchor somewhere in there. I would grab a hold, but I feel like I'll break it if I do that, so I want to cause a bit of compression in that limb instead of pull non-stop. It has a bit of a lean, kind of this, so it's gonna, I think it's gonna go like I want, and I'm not too worried about that, especially we got a pull rope, so we can give a little extra insurance on it. There was a limb that came out right here that would have took the corner of the house. It at one point apparently had broken, hit the roof, but yeah, so let me try to squeeze it right here. Took the mailbox off the pole. I'm pretty sure from what I measured yesterday, maybe we get the tips to here, so have to clean the road out afterwards, but should be good. Mike. Oh, yeah. An eye on the road, don't let anybody through. You're gonna, let's grab the rope and walk out here, and I want to see how it kind of responds. I feel like the tips are at least gonna get to about right here, so you're gonna want to be back a little further. I was actually gonna ask this guy if we could use this tree, hook the tree jack to it, but I don't think we need. Oh shit! Thank you, buddy.
Sure.
Yeah, I think that'll be perfect, like right in there. So what I did, because of the way the lean was, I left the plug in the middle, because I knew that's where I was going to pull fiber anyway. You can see the rot in the center, but and then took this corner off because the saw was too small, and left that in the middle. But see, it was punky on the outer edge. This is the only place where we pulled real fiber, was the center, and I imagine that's basically where the, well, somewhat out here, but that's basically where the ivy was getting its health from and living off of. But yeah, I may make another stump cut. I'll probably just flatten that off right there. My saw isn't cutting too hot. The chain's about shot. I'm gonna help Jake a little bit, and then I'll finish cutting this stuff up. And that'll probably just be a little short video, more than likely. So, but yeah, it went exactly where it was supposed to. Try to kind of, that's why we landed it here in this little grass patch, this lady, I want to keep her driveway open, and I want them to still have a driveway too if possible, so which works. 90% of everything is right here in the grass, so maybe I'll show you as we finish up. The road's cleaned up. Everything is in this little patch of grass here in the center. I was able to open both driveways up. I clean them off pretty good too. You know, dice this into sections. He's got some kind of a processor, a cherry picker thing on his truck that he said he can lift like 1,000 pounds or so. Those have been diced into, there's a piece there, there. So I'm gonna flatten my stump off a bit. It's still pretty damn solid. So surprising. And there's that center plug that was still living. Yeah, that's it. Should grab my rake and my climbing rope here, and I think we're good. Oh, we'll rinse off in the water hose before we take off. I'm definitely not recording that. This seems like a thirst trap. I'm not getting accused of that weirdo stuff. See you guys. Yeah, stay safe. Bye.